In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your Payroll Exports to export your time information. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you are logged in under the Enterprise. You do need Enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Pay Period. From the drop-down menu, choose Payroll Export. First, select the payroll export you would like to use. Click the arrow under Export and choose any of the payroll exports you've already set up. I will choose this first one. Next, select the pay period whose data you want to export. So I can click this arrow and choose any of the pay periods I have set up. Maybe I'll pick this first one. I could have also used the forward or backward arrows. Then decide if you want to exclude inactive employees. Maybe I do want to do that. I don't want to see anyone who didn't work. Next, decide if you want to exclude empty external IDs. I'll go ahead and leave those in. And do you want to create regular from differential? I'll go ahead and leave that off. Next, select the type of export. If I click the arrow next to CSV, I can choose a CSV file, a text file, or a JSON file. I'll go ahead and leave it on this one. Then choose the file. Click the arrow next to File, and I can export this as a file or as a page. I will leave this on File. Now you're ready to export. Click the Export button. Make sure you're saving your file in the correct location and give your file a name. If you changed your mind and you don't want to export this file, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now this file has been exported. You can also click on Review to see what this information is going to look like. If I click Review, a table will appear at the bottom of the page with all of the data that I can export. There is also an Export to Excel button. So if you want to export your information in an Excel spreadsheet instead of the other file format options, click Export to Excel. And now make the same decisions. Decide where you're going to save this file and what you're going to call it. In this case, I don't want to export this as an Excel spreadsheet, so I'm going to click Cancel. That's how you can use your payroll exports. Check out the next video to learn how to create a pay period.